Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to collect emails on Wix Mailchimp. So guys, if you want to start creating your own website using Wix, you can get started with my link in the description down below. So now guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to your Mailchimp, and from here just simply go to audience over here on the left side, and after that just simply go ahead and go to sign up forms. So from here on the sign up forms, you should be able to see here embedded form. So just simply click on this. So from here, just simply set up your embedded form. So just simply provide a name. So I'm going to go for test and the audience. And now just simply click on begin. And from here, guys, right away, you should be able to see here form fields at the side. And from here, you should be able to toggle the first name, the last name, the address, phone number, birthday, and company. So it will be depending on you. And when we click on this, we should be able to see here the settings as well, which from here, we should be able to see the settings of the form. And when we go back, we should be able to see here the tags as well. So from here, when you get responses to this form, and the tags you chose here will be automatically applied to the form contacts. So from here, you can custom a tag. Now, when we go back, once you are done, you can just simply click on continue over here. And after that, you can just simply click on copy code over here. And now just simply go to your Wix. And from here on the Wix, just simply click on add element. And after that, just simply go ahead and go for embed code. So guys, from here, just simply click on embed HTML and click on this. And from here, just simply paste the code over here and click on update. And from here, you should be able to see here your MailChimp. And when people apply for this, you should be able to collect emails. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.